Hello and welcome to Ketina's Zone. Today I'll be teaching you how to convert your Facebook profile to a professional mode. That is how to switch it. Before or initially you ought to wait to get notified, to get a notification before you can switch. But now you can do it yourself. It is very simple. But before that, just a quick one. The difference between the professional mode and the normal Facebook profile is the fact that when you switch, you'll be able to earn money with it. That is, you'll be eligible for the stars, the branded content, the in-stream ads, and the other monetization too, provided you meet the criteria that is required. So in essence, what a page can do, your profile will be able to do it. And of course, you need a minimum of 10,000 followers to be able to achieve all this. But in terms of the stars, 1,000 followers that have been consistent for like 2 months, I guess, yes, you'll be able to get the stars if you are in a legible country. Okay, and then following my research, a lot of people have been asking if it works for Facebook Lite. It doesn't work. As at now that I'm recording this video, it doesn't work. It only works for the Facebook, the normal Facebook, not the Lite. It may work later, but for now, if you want to easily switch your profile, you have to download the normal Facebook and not Facebook Lite. Now, this is my Facebook app, okay? Now, when you're here, you click on this one. Now, let me use my brush. So you can see that it has these 3 dots. You click on the 3 dots. And then you scroll. Now look at this part that says turn off professional mode. Mine is saying turn off because I have turned my own on. So you need to turn on your professional mode. So now to see the number of followers you have, you click on this one, the viewers. So once you click on it, it will show you the number of followers that you have here. This is how it will just appear. So your profile will now automatically become a page, and it will now be able to do what a page can do. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a wonderful day.